Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm doing a quick review on this device right here. The SHW, height adjustable mobile laptop stand desk rolling cart. Wow, that's a mouthful. Height adjustable from 28 inch to 33 inch. Now, this is made for laptops, but I had to move my HP NV23 all-in-one. Had to move this to a different room, and I needed to use it because this is what I use to do my videos. I recently upgraded the hard drive on this. Check the channel for the video on that. Anyway, so this I use with my work laptop, and I was asking myself and wondering, what if can hold the HP Envy? I mean, the profile on this desktop is very thin. Yeah, I have a little hub that's connected on there, but it is kind of heavy. I would say maybe 25 pounds, maybe more. This thing is heavy. And as you can see, it holds it very well. It doesn't wobble. And this is the HP Envy. This is the one that turns into, you can fold it backwards and it'll, convert it into one of those desk tablets. And as you can see, I'm rolling it around and it's actually holding up well. And yeah. I've had this desk since December and it served me well. It is height adjustable. I will have a link in the description. It looks like it's wobbly, but it doesn't fall off balance. Right now I'm like pulling it back and forth, as you can see. So there's no danger in that. And I also use this in conjunction with my work laptop. It wasn't designed to work this way, but it works for me. Just to show you how I use it, how I set it up. I have my work laptop here. Let me try to open. This is what I do. I'll take the work laptop, I'll put it here. I have a chair here. I have a little bit of clutter on the chair, so don't mind the clutter. And I sit there and I work on my laptop. And if I wanted to work on this one, I would just fold this down and work on my regular desktop, or I would put this on the bottom and work from there. And it's very sturdy. It is adjustable. You could adjust the height on this, and it's made of steel and wood, although I wouldn't call this wood. I would call it more compressed cardboard, but I will tell you it was a gift so that I can work anywhere around the house or the room or wherever I'm sitting and not have to have a big clunky table. This definitely is adjustable from 28 inches to 33, and it's 26 inches wide, more than enough. As you can see, I have my keyboard on here. I have a couple of accessories. I have a hub. I have a little hard drive with a SATA to USB connector. I have the CD-ROM that belongs to the desktop itself. And listen, for me, it's phenomenal. I'm gonna give this a 5-star rating on Amazon. This video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored, but I am so impressed and happy that this is able to hold this. And this has been on there for, I would say, a couple of weeks. I would say 4 weeks already. And it hasn't fallen. It hasn't moved from its position here. And it's holding up so well. I said, you know what? Let me do a video on this and let you guys know. I'll have a link in the description on this. And if you're looking for something that's practical, that's mobile for your laptop, I highly recommend this. For me, it's more bang for the buck because I'm using it for something that it wasn't intended to be used for. I wouldn't recommend putting a mini tower there with a monitor. They don't specify what's the maximum weight capacity on this. Maybe you can do your research. It's made only for a laptop, but it works for me. So if you decide to put something heavy, use at your own risk. I am just giving you my experience. My channel, whenever I do a review, it's a real world experience, real world review, meaning I've been using it for a couple of months and I'll tell you how well it holds up or how bad it held up. And I gotta tell you, this is something that have exceeded all my expectations, because I am able to work, and it works better. You know, pretty much it's like having two tables for the price of one, because not only can I use it for the initial purpose, which was working from home, but I can also work on my regular home desktop and maximize the use out of this. So hopefully this video helps you if you were looking for something like this. And like I said, you know, it's very well positioned, and it looks like it's wobbly, but it's not. If you assemble it well and you adjust all the nuts and bolts, and, you know, make sure that you adjust them and tighten them, you know, correctly, I think, and you're not moving this around and you're not writing on it, you should be fine. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos on more products that are being updated, new hacks, new mods, and more stuff. Thanks for watching.